Hello, this is 75 Schmidt Lane here in San Rafael. We're in the process of moving, so things are not in their normal place, but this is the front porch with a beautiful lemon tree, and here we go inside. This is the downstairs bathroom, laundry room, washer dryer. That's the kitchen, but I'll take you around the loop here. So this is the living room. Outside here is a beautiful back deck with the water. It's on a tidal schedule, so you can get a kayak out there or a paddleboard. And then this is the view back into the kitchen. Great kitchen, all the amenities, dishwasher going, lots of storage. And I will take you upstairs. Great light in this house. These are the stairs. There's a skylight right over here. It gives great light. We had a big plant here. There are 3 rooms up here. This is our girls' room. Great closet. We had 2 toddler beds in here. This was my husband's office, but we also had a full-size pull-out. Fit great. This is our daughter's bathroom, guest bathroom. And then this is the master bedroom. Again, pardon the mess, but great room, bathroom adjacent, built-in closets, which have been really amazing. Gets great light. And then there's the linen closet, and the landing again. And then we're back down the stairs. So that is 75 Schmidt Lane.